Chocolate.
Chocolate.
O sige ha, sige, ikaw na ha, ikaw na. Ikaw lahat ha, ikaw lahat ha, ikaw lahat ha. Hi guys! We're already inside the plane. Hindi ko pala na-record yung kanina. Hindi kami masyado magpatabi. Kasi we are on seat F and G. Kala kasi namin yung G nasa window side. Pero hindi pala kasi bago na yung plane ng Cebu Pacific. It's bigger and better. Right? 3 rows na sila. Kabog. See you in Singapore. Anyway. Hi guys. We just landed here at Changi Airport, Singapore. This is a bus challenge. Hi guys! So we're going out na and it's only 7 AM here at Singapore. It's our first day and we will go to Universal Studio. This is my outfit. Iwihawakan mga mag-outfit check ako. Outfit check! Bye! Hi, good morning. This is our first day here at Singapore. Hi, baby. Wait. We're gonna eat breakfast. We're going to Hawker Express. Hawker Express ba? Hawker Center at Maxwell. Actually, pumunta na kami dito first time. Punta na kami dito nung unang punta namin dito sa Singapore. Pero October 2022 pa yun. Hi baby! Hello! So ngayon, babalik ulit kami.
Yeah,
kasi yung Hainanese chicken doon ang sobrang sarap.
And laksa.
Yeah.
Bakit ganyan ka mag-vlog? Paano pag pinanood mo siya nakaganyan?
Look at me, kasi I'm an artist. Oo nga, ganito nga.
Dapat landscape.
Bakit landscape? Kasi di ba pag landscape, parang putol? I mean, pag pinanood mo siya, parang putol. Or tama ba?
Pag pinanood mo yun sa YouTube, nakatayo. Ganyan. Sa YouTube natin siya i-upload.
Ayoko. Dapat ganito pala. Dapat ganito?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna eat at Maxwell Hawker Center. Here at Maxwell Road. This is my baby. The ugliest person in the universe.
No, I'm the artist nga today.
I'm the artist. Huh? I'm Alden Richards.
Hero, remember? Daro, you say baby BM.
Yeah.
Saan tayo mag-withdraw, baby? Wala tayong pera.
Okay, wala kaming ma-withdrawhan kasi yung ibang ATM sobrang mahal. Like yung OCBC, ang charge nun is $9. O diba, sayang din yung $9, magkano yun? Tapos doon naman sa isa, sa Citibank, $3.
Sana finish natin yung $3 eh.
Mahal pa rin yun.
150.
Pambili rin ng water yun. Yung tumbler. Tapos naman, sayang hindi ko nadala yung mic ko. No? Para sana naka-mic na lang ako. Yung hindi ako sisigaw. No?
Yeah.
Sayang. Tapos,
mauubos yung video mo, storage mo kapag ganyan.
tapos yung UOB is walang bayad. Okay, so see you later at Hawker Express. Goodbye! So we're at Hawker Center and we will try these laksa.
Hainanese rice is not here. It's still closed.
Well, syempre natikman ko na ito before. Camera, ito pa. Still good! First, we have to mix it first. We have to mix it first. Bakit ba sa ano nakatingin?
Ha?
Sa screen ako nakatingin. Dapat eh. Sarado pa yung ibang food stalls. So, sarado pa yung binibilan namin before na Hainanese chicken. Kaya maglalaksa na lang muna.
Ito na ba sa inyo? Sarap?
Yeah.
There's
This Hainanese chicken. Sa iba siya in order. Dun sa dati namin in order. Sobrang sarap. So, ito, titigman namin.
this is our first time.
Bigyan mo ako dun.
Here? This?
Yan, ng chicken. Okay, we'll just eat muna. Bye. Hello! Hi! Welcome again to Universal
Studio.
Singapore.
TikTok, knock.
It's 9:30. 9:30 ba? Yeah, 9:30 na. Maaga kami kasi para wala pa daw masyadong tao. Yan ang sabi. Dad, ang haba na ng pila. Grabe, sobrang haba na ng pila.
Take a selfie.
Hi guys! So update lang, it's 1 PM na. 1 PM na ba?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 1 PM na and naka 5 rides na kami. 5 na ba?
So tiring.
Or 6. Grabe at saka sobrang init din.
Haba pa ng pila.
Haba ng pila sa lahat ng rides.
Hindi na kami nag-express.
Considering
kasi
na considering na maaga pa tayo.
Yeah.
Like kakabukas lang talaga, 9:30 nandito na kami. So 10 nag-open, sobrang haba pa rin ng pila. Okay. Hi! So, nabigyan kami ng free ice cream. Here. Free lang siya. Kailangan mong scan lang yung QR code. Eh, kaya lang,
We're at Singapore.
yeah. Kasi may app. Eh, wala kaming Singapore number.
Parang grab siya sa Philippines.
Yeah. So, binigyan na lang kami ng free ice
Ayaw ko
cream.
nga. So, sabi niya, just a yes. Yes.
Yeah. Galit siya nung ayaw namin tanggap. So, we have to try it.
Bakit?
Hi!
Sa pang ice cream nila, no?
Hindi lang dahil sa libre siya ha, pero ang sarap. Grabe. It has 3 flavors. It has 3 flavors.
OA mo talaga. Grabe.
Sarap. Naman artist ha.
Maubos yung storage mo.
It's okay. Because I'm trying my mic. So good. Mm. Parang ito, may kalasa siya.
Parang lasa niya yung, alam mo yung kakanin?
Biko?
Yung puto kalasyaw.
No.
Yung puti.
Ang puti. Tastes like makapuno.
Oh. Puto kalasyaw.
Okay, bye-bye. Hindi pa rin ako marunong tumingin dito. Sa camera, lagi ako sa screen nakatingin. Bye. Bye. Grabe. It's raining. We're here at Lau Pasat. Hi everyone. So, nandito kami sa Lau Pasat, Singapore. Then, try namin yung award-winning chili crab. Kita kasi. That's the award-winning chili crab. It's good. This one.
Tikas? Hindi matikas. Bigla ako sa pagkain.
Ito lang.
Siguro.
Mayroon din kami skewers, beef and lamb. Sarap. Parang first time ko kumain ng ganito. Asan yung lamb? Asan yung beef?
Oo, alam mo.
Ang sarap. So, itong binili naming spicy, award-winning chili crab is $50. 50 Singapore dollars. So, magkano yun, baby? That's times nyo na lang, times 40. Wow. Actually, dalawang size yun eh. Yung isa, $80, pero mas malaki. So, pinili lang namin yung $50. Kasi nga, baka di naman namin maubos. Sayang naman. Kain muna kami. Bye! Ako na. India. Hi, we're walking. It's 7 o'clock PM na. Actually, 7:30. Pero it's still maliwanag. Look. Hindi pa siya madilim kagaya sa Pinas. Pinas, 7 o'clock is madilim niya. Siguro dito, mga 8 or 9 ang madilim. We're going to Mustafa. Kasi dun, Mustafa, Singapore. Kasi dito daw bilihan ng mga murang pasalubong. Yan, lahat daw nandun. Sabi. That's why we're going to check it out. Hi, good morning. It's our second day here at Singapore. We're going to McDonald's in Chili Garden.
Sana kasi doon ka na lang nagsit.
It's raining. Yeah, it's raining here at Singapore. And it's already 7:30. 7:30 a.m. Wala kaming payong. Papunta kami ng MRT.
Sana ini-stop mo na pag ganyan. Kasi wala naman sila ibang nakikita. Paulit-ulit.
Paulit-ulit eh. Gusto ko nga mag-ano eh. Gusto ko nga i-vlog eh. Look oh, this person oh. So mean to me. Hi. We are walking. We are walking and I'm doing this because I don't have an umbrella. Hi guys! So we're going to Fort Canning Park. It's there oh. Pangit ito. Pangit to. Pangit.
Iwang kita dito. Di
Pangit
mo
mo.
pa rin ito alam. Chocolate.
Oh, sige ha. Sige, ikaw na ha. Ikaw na. Ikaw lahat ha. Ikaw lahat ha. Ha? Ikaw lahat ha. Okay. Here na. Here na. Okay, so we're going inside the Fort Canning Park.
Wait, kailangan mo pa video.
Hi everyone, we're at Boogies. And you know what's here? It's the Jollibee. The Jollibee is here. Here's the Jollibee. It's at Boogies. Hi Jollibee. We're going inside. We're going to Newton Food Center.
Yeah. It's a hawker center. Yung hawker center nila dito ang tawag nila. Ay, yung night market sa atin ang tawag nila hawker center.
Yeah. You're on my video, huh? You're on my vlog. I'll wait you here.
Good? Oh my God, ito nga yun. Okay.
Hi guys! We are going to Marina Bay. Hi! So we're here at Little India. We're at the Little India Street. Kasi pupunta kami ng Mustafa Center. Tama ba? Mustafa Center. Yeah, we're going to Mustafa Center.
Ang ganda ng street nila.
Yeah. Ang ganda nga ng mga streets. So hi everyone, we're here na at Mustafa Center. So we are going inside. Hi guys, so we're here at Orchard. I think nakita na namin yung famous ice cream here sa...
The old vendor.
Yeah, the old vendor. Right?
Yes.
There na siya. Oh my God, I'm so excited to try it. Babain.
Ano ba ko?
Hi guys! We're going to Raffles Place.
So lamig here. It's so cold.
It's not even cold, it's so hot in here. Look at my face, it's like I have sunburn.
Init? Bakit ka naman magkakasyan?
Eh, artista kasi ako. Ganun yung mga skin ng mga artista. Not even an artist kasi.
So guys, I will throw his phone. No! So tired.
Oh yeah, we're tired.
But we're in Singapore, it's okay.
Hey, gonna be like that every time I see you. Hey, gotta be that. I check it out, no. Hi, good morning everyone. It's our 4th day here at Singapore.
Walking and again.
Yeah, we're walking. It's actually our last day here kasi our flight is madaling araw tomorrow. Ay, hindi pala madaling araw. Umaga. 6 AM ng July 5. Pero nag-check out na kami. Diba? Hindi na kami nag-book ng hotel para tipid tips. Okay. We're just going to gala.
Yeah, make ikot hanggang sa mapagod, hanggang maubos yung pera.
Yeah. So mean. Bye-bye.
To any emergency